So this is the aftermath of Hurricane Irma. It's not finished. It's still blowing, still howling. It's been going 24 hours. It's the 11th of September 2017. 9/11, another 9/11 of sorts. And this thing is still raging after starting here almost some 24 hours ago. So this one looks like early in the morning, just after 7 o'clock, about 7:15 thereabouts. September the 11th, 2017. I'm just taking a little walk outside Lean's house by Lake Josephine. This branch is down. I think this was a mango tree that's down. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
We survived. We survived again.
We survived. The lake is in the backyard.
Yes, I've noticed that. Are you off to work?
No, I'm just going to charge my phone.
Okay. All right. Goodness gracious.
I can take pictures.
Yes, absolutely. It's one for the record books, yeah?
Yes.
Goodness gracious. Wow. At least the cars are still here. And all this happening here, and we're kind of not really in the path of the hurricane. We're a good distance from the eye of a hurricane. So the wind's been gusting here at what, 80, 90, 100 miles per hour up in the Highlands County. Here in Sebring, okay, it's starting to drizzle again, so I'm going in. There's the Aki tree. It's shorn of its Akis. Could have been worse. And here's the big old oak trees. They stood the test of time, just lost some branches and limbs. This big old oak tree here. A lot of the moss. A lot of the moss. All mosses have been blown off. Some branches there. Little branches, twigs on the roof. Some little branches and twigs down here. But it's not done yet. But I suspect it can't get any worse. I think we've sort of passed the worst of it. Okay, over and out for the time being.